Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 16th of October. The euro has been strengthening against most of its major counterparts, paring losses from Monday's gap. European Central Bank Governing Council member Knott said that each nation's debt must be reduced below the 60% limit, and this should be enforced via national legislation. His remarks indicate that the ECB is in favour of widespread implementation of budget laws in Eurozone countries' constitutions. German Chancellor Merkel reiterated that Greece must apply reforms for the Troika report to be concluded. Greek Prime Minister Samaras shared his confident view that Greece will receive the next financial aid tranche. The Australian dollar is rising versus most of its counterparts following the release of the minutes from the RBA latest meeting. It pointed out that interest rates are set to drop as the nation's central bank warned a deceleration in the crucial mining industry has lowered the outlook for growth in the coming year. Silver dropped versus the US dollar from 33.1271 to 32.6834 an ounce. Oil rose versus the US dollar from 91.05 to 91.70, having first recorded a low at 89.78. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.25. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 78.65. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.35. The sterling dollar pivot points at 160.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.50. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9790 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9790. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 90.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.80. The gold pivot points at 1741 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1741. The silver pivot points at 33.02 with a preference to enter into short positions at 33.02. The US 500 is at 1438 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1438. And the UK 100 is at 5817 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5817. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the Consumer Price Index month-on-month in September, forecast to rise by 0.4%. In Europe, we have the Consumer Price Index final month-on-month in September, forecast to rise by 0.8%, and the ZOO Economic Sentiment for October forecast to improve to -15. And in the US, we have the Core Consumer Price Index month-on-month in September, forecast to rise by 0.2%. And our interesting pair of the day is the US dollar South African rand. We saw the dollar fulfilled our rebound expectations versus the South African rand off the 860 support level as identified on Friday. The trend is still bullish, but it's a breakthrough and hold above the 8.90 mark for higher highs can be recorded. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.